everybody needs to be committed to the data and not just the individual or the owner. It really is a team game. Yeah. And we want to truly create value in our organizations. We've got to deliver across the enterprise and not in a single silo. So it's not enough to say, hey, we've got a data team that looks after that. I'm not involved. No, everybody needs to be involved. We've all got to get into it.
Yeah, no, definitely. And I think it's something we've also seen is many companies, I've appointed a data lead, I've appointed a chief data officer, a chief data analytics officer. I don't have to worry about data anymore. Unfortunately, data remains everyone's business if you want to do it right and get the most value from it. So as a follow-up question to that one, Matt, and as we're diving into, the what we refer to as quadrant 2 of the rapid value cycle, where we focus about people, processes, approach, and a bit about the data component as well. In this section, it talks about people first, process second, and technology last. For many organizations, that would go against their natural instinct. Why do you put people first when everyone else wants to talk about the latest AI tools? So why the focus on people? First, if the main hype and most of the talk is about AI tools, platforms, etc.
Yeah. Look, it's so easy to get caught up in the technology, isn't it? We know that. As you say, everyone's talking about AI, but again, this can't be technology led. I mean, your example of only 5% being successful is just screams that can't be the way that it's led, because it doesn't lead to success. So we've got to have a user case that's business.